Hello friends, welcome back to Invest with Ara. Another stock that I've shortlisted today is PC Jewellers. We'll be putting PC Jewellers financial data onto this Excel program and come to a conclusion whether to invest in this company at this point of time or not. The financial data values that will be taken or feeded to this program is taken from an app known as a Stock Edge app. Now in the Stock Edge app we go to search bar and click PC Jewellers Limited. Now we could see here that PC Jewellers Limited is trading at 56.95 on 12th of October 2018. Now we go to the fundamental tab and understand about the company. So the sector for PC Jeweller is diamond and jewelry, and the industry is also diamond and jewelry. Now we'll be using these financial indicators values onto our Excel program to arrive at a conclusion whether I want to invest in this company at this point of time or not. Now the first parameter is market cap, which is 2247.52 crores. Clearly it's a small cap company. The EPS is 14.53, which is good. Price to earning ratio is 3.92. Industry PE is 34.64. Now the program has given us a signal to buy this stock based on the parameters of industry PE and stock PE. We could see here the industry PE is about 30 points away from stock PE, and thus the stock has got a play of about 30 points to reach to industry PE level. Book value share is 102.69. Price to book value is 0.55. Dividend yield, the company also gives you dividend and hence the buy signal. The face value of the stock is 10, which is good. The number of shares subscribed is 39.46 crores. Now we could see with the financial indicators value, the Excel program has given us a signal to buy the stock. Now we come to return ratio. For that we need to go to the ratios tab, and under ratios tab in the drop down menu we have to select return ratios. Now the first parameter of return ratio is return on equity, which is 14.87%. The return on capital employed is 22.94%, and the return on asset is 6.56%. So overall return ratio has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to efficiency ratio, the first parameter is EBITDA margin, which is 11.14. EBIT margin is 10.92 and PAT margin is 5.57. EPS is 13.58. Now this EPS and this EPS is different because this is the trailing EPS. One could say that this is the current EPS. Asset turnover ratio is 1.18, which is good. Days of receivables is 64.33. Days of payable is 141.76, and days of inventory is 179.27. Now we could see here efficiency ratio has also given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to the growth ratio, under the drop down menu we select the growth ratio. The net sales growth, that is the first parameter, is 13.42%. EBITDA growth percentage is 24.22. Net profit growth is 27.23. EPS growth is 15.59. Overall growth ratio has also given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Further, we come to the solvency ratio. I consider solvency ratio to be the most important ratio in shortlisting any stock. So we go to solvency ratio in the drop down menu, and the first parameter, which is the total debt to equity ratio, is 0.29. Now when we click on 0.29, we get to know that the total debt on the company is 1115.8 crores against a net worth of 3881.18 crores, which is okay, but according to the program the signal is not a good signal. Now coming on to the interest coverage ratio, which is 3.35. Now when we click on 3.35, we get to know that the earnings before income tax is 1049.57 crores, whereas they pay an interest of about 312.99 crores. So it's good. coming on to the current ratio, which is 1.73, and also good. Now we could see here that the solvency ratio has not given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Coming on to cash flow ratios, under drop down menu we select cash flow ratios. The cash flow per share is positive 9.07 and free cash flow per share is 0.99. Now we could see here cash flow ratio has also given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to the valuation ratio, under the drop down menu we select the valuation ratio. The first parameter is price to earning ratio, which is 23.53. now the price to book ratio is 3.26. price to cash flow ratio is 35.25. EV to EBITDA ratio, that is enterprise value to EBITDA ratio, is 11.36. market cap to sales ratio is 1.31. Now valuation ratio has also given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now considering the overall signal provided by the program, we simply click here. We see that the overall signal for PC Jewellers is buy, that is to buy the stock at this point of time based on its fundamental values. Hope you might have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. For any queries, write in the comment section below. Also, if any one of you wants to compare or perform fundamental analysis of their particular stocks, can write in the comment section below. Thank you.